सम्मान अपने कल्चर का भी। गंगौर इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेटेड इन राजस्थान और राजस्थान एसोसिएशन ऑफ जॉर्जिया ने ट्रेडिशनल अंदाज में मनाया ये त्योहार, जहां नजर आया कल्चर राजस्थान का, फ्रॉम अटायर टू फूड, फ्रॉम डांस टू सॉन्ग्स। और स्वागत करते हुए राजा ने कहा, पधारो मारो देश।
ट्रेडिशनल त्योहार जो संग ले आए यादें राजस्थान की, रंग वहाँ की संस्कृति के, खुशबू वहाँ के पकवानों की। कुछ ऐसा ही था नजारा when Rajasthan Association of Georgia celebrated its annual festival Gangor with great pomp and show at the Palace Restaurant, Atlanta. Gangor is one of the most important festivals of Rajasthan, held each spring in honor of Gauri और पार्वती, और इस त्योहार की जैसे धूम थी यहाँ पर।
We are celebrating Gangor today. When you say Gangor, Gangor is Rajasthan. Rajasthan's one of the main festival celebrated throughout Rajasthan and the Rajasthan communities in India and in the world. It's a very traditional. Gangor, Gan is Shiva and Gor is Gauri. And it's basically a harvest festival, celebration of new life and Saubhagya. तो आप लोगों ने बहुत बहुत राम राम राजस्थान गंगौर में आने वास्ते। और मैं लोग राजस्थान एसोसिएशन जॉर्जिया कम 15 सालों सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं गंगौर। तो एसोसिएशन काफ़ी हर साल 3 फेस्टिवल करे। एक गंगौर जो कि राजस्थान को मेन फेस्टिवल है, दूसरो दिवाली एंड एक जो अपा है वो समर पिकनिक करा। बिग मान एकदम राजस्थानी ट्रेडिशनल फूड खानों वगैरह रखा।
टीवी एशिया के दर्शकों को राजस्थान एसोसिएशन की तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाई हो। We are so proud that TV Asia is always involved in our affairs here. Rajasthan Association is an association presenting Rajasthan culture here in Atlanta. We bring the colorful state of Rajasthan to Atlanta for the sake of our children, for the sake of young generation, for the sake of our public here who want to experience the rich culture of Rajasthan. It has been a while since we have been celebrating Rajasthan in the homes, and we all decided to come together. Now we have over 200 families in Atlanta who join resources together to bring the colorful Rajasthan to you. We are very proud to be part of Atlanta, and we'll keep bringing beautiful Rajasthani songs, music and programs to the community.
This year, Raja celebrated Gangor festival with great excitement with traditional Rajasthani folk songs, Ghumar dance and colorful traditional outfits. महिलाओं और बच्चों का उत्साह देखने लायक था, जिन्होंने एंजॉय किए फन क्विज गेम्स और दी कलरफुल कल्चरल एंड बॉलीवुड परफॉर्मेंसेस। साथ ही कहा, पधारो हमारे देश।
Today we are celebrating Gangor here, and Gangor is the festival of Lord Shiva and Parvati. As you can see, we first do puja, and today in Raja we are celebrating Gangor, and this festival is for both unmarried and married women. And for the unmarried, they do for a good husband, a loving husband, and for married, they do it for the long life of their spouse, for their husband. And as we do puja for Gangor, and we sing so many songs for our Lord Parvati, and we draw mehndi, we have done fasting, and this is the way we celebrate Gangor.
ले आया ये त्योहार संग अपने राजस्थानी कल्चर, वहाँ के अंदाज, वहाँ के ठाट बाट और वहाँ का जायका, इंक्लूडिंग दाल बाटी, गट्टे की सब्जी, which was served as a sprawling celebration which transformed the restaurant into Rajasthani land in the US. फूली नहीं समाई कम्युनिटी राजस्थान को इतना करीब पाकर.
On behalf of Raja, I would like to thank our media partner TV Asia for covering this great program, which we have it every year. Gangaur, as has been mentioned, it's like one of the main festival of Rajasthan and brings the color and joy, brings a new culture, exposure to the kids who are living in the US, who have never been exposed to the Rajasthani culture.
We are celebrating, and in fact I will proud to say that we started Rajasthani Association event. First event was a Gangaur in 2007. So since then we are celebrating our Gangaur function. You see that we come here in a traditional dress, remind everybody about our Rajasthan. I have worn a pagdi and my president is in Safa. What a great feeling. So this is really bringing Rajasthan back home in Atlanta, and we are really proud of being Rajasthani.
वाकई इस तरह अपनी रूट से जुड़ी आने वाली पीढ़ी और साथ ही मिला उनकी प्रतिभा को मंच.
Throughout the years of us performing the Festival of Gangaur, it's made me realize where my roots are from and made me feel proud that I'm from Rajasthan. We've been celebrating Gangaur through Raja for almost a decade now, and it makes me feel really proud to know where I'm from, and Raja's given me a great opportunity to pursue that.
That's how Gangaur was celebrated with great food, performances in a traditional manner. Well, Rajasthan Association of Georgia was formed around a decade ago and has been celebrating Gangaur and Diwali every year to create a greater bond between people of Rajasthani origin and roots, to create a sense of belonging.